Good afternoon, Keller Williams. Josh Abbott here today, bringing you KW Command's newest update, Contact Merging. Now, this is a pretty self-explanatory update. It's going to allow you as an agent to take multiple contacts in your contact database and merge them into one contact. It's pretty simple to do. It's very self-explanatory, but there are a few considerations to take into account before you go ahead and perform that merge. So the first thing is really just some terminology I want to go over. We'll have this primary and a secondary contact. Now, the primary contact is the contact that is going to stay on command. It is not going to be deleted. It is the one that will keep the name fields. And in the case of both contacts, secondary and primary, having different information, the primary contact will supersede the secondary contact. Now, the second thing with that, it will be opportunities and smart plans. And this is where your merge could run into a little bit of trouble. You need to make sure that your secondary contact is not associated with any smart plans or any opportunities. Because that contact will be deleted at the end of the merge, it can't be associated with an opportunity or smart plan, as essentially it would cause those tools to break. And then the last thing that we want to take into consideration is going to be tag triggers. Now, if you have any smart plans that are designed to fire off when a contact is tagged a certain way, you want to make sure that one of those tags isn't being added to the primary contact. Now, it's not going to break anything if you have it set that way, but it may cause that contact to be subscribed to a smart plan that you didn't intend them to be subscribed to. Have them get duplicate contacts from you that they may not want. Other than that, and those slight caveats, this is a very simple tool to use, and let's hop into it. So in our contact screen right here, all I'm going to do is look for duplicate contacts. I would suggest you go ahead and sort by name up here on the top, first name or last name depending on how your database is organized, and then go ahead and hit the show button, and I'm going to set this to 500 contacts. I would just get in the habit of setting it to 500 by default. And then I can look through and see, hey, I have these merge tests that are duplicate here, and those are the ones that I want to be merging today. So what I'm going to do is select the checkbox to the left of them, go up here to the bulk action dropdown, and then go all the way down to merge. Now there's going to be this really quick wizard that's going to pop up, and you sort of get to select which contact record is going to be the primary and which one is going to be the secondary. When I get to the screen, I suggest you show more fields so you can see the full list of all the contact information, and I want to keep this one on the left. Its information is a lot more complete. Let's say I went and I checked the actual contact record and it has more information that I like, that I want to keep. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it so I can keep this one. You can see right here, we're keeping this record on the left, so that's our primary, and we're merging the one on the right, so it is our secondary. As you see, I clicked on the one on the right, and it flip-flops between the two. But I'm going to keep that left one and go ahead and hit continue. Now on this next screen, it is going to give you a preview of what that contact record will look like and any of the additional fields that will be added to it. So you can see this one, an email address, a phone number, and a tag will be added to this contact, and the rest is going to remain the same, which is perfect for our case. Now the only thing I need to do at the end here is just make sure this A&W tag isn't associated with any smart plan triggers, so I don't accidentally enroll this contact into a smart plan that I don't intend to. After that, hit the merge button. This screen is going to take a moment, it's going to think about it, and then right there I have merge test number 1. And if I click into that, I can scroll down and I can see we have the primary and secondary emails and the primary and secondary phone numbers listed there as well. Well, I really hope this was helpful for you. It's a pretty simple process. As you're doing your contact cleanup, I encourage you to look for opportunities to merge contacts and really knock out two birds with one stone. All right, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a lovely Friday and an even better weekend, and I'll see you all next time.